Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can view who has liked your TikTok videos. So here I've already on TikTok and I'm going to just go to my profile to see my videos. And for example, I want to see who liked my recent videos in here. And actually, if you click on the video, the one who likes your video will show up in here, but you can't see their usernames. And to see it more clearly, you can just click on this total views number, and then here there are three tabs: view, likes, and comments. And to see who likes your video, just click on the likes tab, and in here you can see the usernames of the one that like your videos. Okay, so that's actually pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye guys.